So welcome students. So in this question, you're asked to find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word garden where vowels are in alphabetical order. So if you see the word garden, it has 6 letters. And how many vowels are there in this word? So you have 2 vowels, A and E. A and E. Now I want the arrangements of the word garden so that A and E are in alphabetical order. That is, A comes before E. So to do that, what we do is, let us take out this A and E. So let us arrange the remaining words in these 6 gaps. So GRDN. So in how many ways can I arrange GRDN in these 6 places? So 4 letters in 6 places. 6P, 4 ways, right? Assume that I have arranged D here, R here, N here and G here. Let us say that I have made some sort of arrangement. I can do arrangements like this in 6P, 4 ways. Now once these 4 letters are arranged, 2 places will be left out for A and E. Now in how many ways can I put A and E in these 2 places? So there is only one way, because A has to come before E. The order of A and E is already specified. So A and E can come in only one way. So A and E can be arranged in only one way. So you get into 1. So the answer is 6P4. That is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. That is 30 into 4, 120 into 3. You have 360 ways. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.